Yo, yo. Today we're back out with a new series on white noise, which is going to be scary. And I don't like it. But we're going to do it 15 minutes per episode, which is going to make it even more scary. Do you want to just go? Yeah. Who's leading? We'll do like 5 minutes leading each. What even are you? Right there. Right, where we going? Must have spawned quite close to one then. Yeah. How do you do it again? I knew that. I clicked X. Does it matter, like, do you have to collect a certain amount in like one game? They're quite creepy for some reason. You are the tour guide. Here on the right hand side, there's just a couple of blood prints. Oh my god, them cigarettes are like flat as all. Go on, we've got this. Oh, you're confusing me. Where are you going here? I know it is, isn't it? There's like vases or something over here. Yeah, you pick it up. Pick it up either. Where have you gone, Reese? Are you there? Never mind. Yeah, if you don't know already, white noise is scary, and the more tapes you collect, the more angry the monster gets. So I'll not scream, I'll just go and just like run off. I don't mind if you scream. That just makes it even more scarier. It's just quite it's weird as well. It's just like dang. In my videos, it's like what's it, Psycho. As soon as he sees you, the worst part of the game, corners. Does Ben like scream at all? Really?
I was thinking in my head, I bet I'm down this corner.
Is he actually? Will he actually around corner? Check. Well, you're clever. Just go where he was. I heard a howl like. Ooh.
Can I just say to this thing, there would be some swearing because when I sometimes get scared actually.
Explicit content. Click off the video now if you don't want to watch. Oh. Yeah, there is. I know there's videotaping it. This is oh, it's there. It's there. It's free. To right. Got it. This is going to be once a week because I am not playing this every day.
No, I'm gonna play it every day now.
I'm not inviting him. We're in a private chat, so it doesn't matter.
Oh God, I want to.
It's audible, isn't it?
You wanna win for
I meant 1 more minute because it needs to go like to. Wait, it's 15. So it's 5 minutes. So. Don't do 7 minutes each, then we get half of the video each. 7.5 minutes each, then it's fair.
my heart is like beating like
I don't like going in front. We could stick together if you want. No, I don't mean split up like that. I mean like. God, was that him? No, it would have gone pew if I saw him. You got a fair point. I don't care which way. Just go. Just go. Just go. Anywhere. Just go. I'm not hanging around. It's scary. No. Imagine wearing this with 3D glasses on. I mean, playing this with 3D glasses on. If you guys have YouTube channels, by the way, send us comment in the section below, and then we'll just we'll search you up and we'll watch your videos and we'll give you some. We'll subscribe. Yeah, there's one in I think. Oh, there's like more than one room that's like this though, so. Yeah, I saw him. No, I didn't really. What was that? Yeah, it's gone past 7.5. Hey, what are you trying to say? I can hear heavy. Are you dead? Are you dead? Wait, I want to pause. Screw it, no. Can I exit and we'll start again? Right. We need to do this together.
Oh, come on.
No, we're not doing it like that. We're gonna do it together. You left me.
I died.
Exactly. I'll have to invite you now.
What's the map?
I would do it solo. I would have done it on my own. It's because my mic's so dodgy. I have to sit so close to my screen.
You have no idea about how scary that was. You know when I said that when you be behind you and take them first?
Yeah.
Yeah, my prediction was right. You didn't take them first. That scared me so hard.
Are you boosting?
Oh,
Yeah.
I want to have a heart attack.
Are you joining?
No, wait a minute, I'm watching that. I joined what?
I haven't invited you.
That's when I died. That's
That was weird. I heard him going, ah, and just eating you. I'm like, Reese, did you just die? Do you want to try a different map? Do you want to try this chat here? Do you want to try this map called Chatty Lily?
Okay, I'm back.
Do you want to play this map?
Yeah. I'm going to map with it. Hey, Brent, just saying.
I've been on all these.
When you die, keep going. When you die, and you're just keep going.
Okay.
Don't be pushing it back out. Keep going, bro. I'm not joking, you know. No, I appreciate it.
The funny thing is, it was only on easy. It was only on easy though.
Yeah, I know.
I'm already scared. We haven't even started. I didn't see him once through all that. Right, do you want to stick together? We've both been in front. Do you want to just stick together? At least if we die, we both die. Oh God, look at that guy's face. Nah, things will just pop out his eyes like hello. Oh no! Funny, it'll kill us. The tape recorder close. Got it. Yeah. Right, Larry's, don't worry. That'd be cool. It'll just be up the tree waiting for us, like. Nah, I'm next to you. You keep stopping. I'm just making sure you don't walk off now. You know what I'm gonna do after this? I'm gonna come off the mic for about 5 minutes. Actually, no, let's do that an hour and just lay in my bed. Ah! Behind us, he was literally behind us. I crap myself. Just keep going forward, keep going forward. Keep going. Keep going forward. He popped up on my screen. I was so scared. I saw him and everything. I saw him. As soon as this hits 15 minutes, I am freaking quitting. Carry on forward. Where are you, Reese? Reese? You can't be behind me, come on. That's the first time I've saw him. I literally shivered so bad. It was like, whoo, wasn't it? Yeah, I heard that. Forward. Yeah. We've got 55 seconds to survive, Reese. We've got this. Forward. That's not a very good thing. Last time I did that, I died. "30 seconds. As soon as it hits 15 minutes, I am quitting. Whether you like it or not. 20 seconds. 15. We've got this. If you want to see us do longer videos, then comment below and drop a like on the video. 5. Ray, we've got this. Reese, we can quit now. We're blocked. Right, I'll be quitting now. It's been 15. Bye bye. I can't play this no more. I can't play that game. If you want to see us do longer videos, drop a like and put in the comments below. I'm gonna try and get a longer wire on my mic so I can sit further back. Then I'm not like right next to the screen. Yeah. Yeah. Drop a like on the video and subscribe. And we'll see you.